The female athlete triad is used to describe active females with low energy availability, menstrual dysfunction, and reduced bone mineral density. The triad occurs when energy intake does not sufficiently compensate for energy output, with each of the triads ranging on a spectrum from mild to severe. Women are constantly warned that exercise is essential for mental, physical, and cardiovascular health, and yet the labelling of the syndrome, the female athlete triad, puts a negative connotation on the word athlete. The triad is fundamentally the result of energy imbalance, and insufficient energy does not single out athletes. Components of the triad are found amongst both active and inactive women. In fact, female sedentary girls of teenage years were found to have a 14% lower mineral bone density than their athletic female counterparts, proving that the benefit of exercise far overshadows the potential risk. Low bone density isn't just a female problem. Men can suffer from low energy availability as well, which impacts their bone density and reproductive system. Whilst men do not have such straightforward symptoms such as missed menses, males with disordered eating have been diagnosed with low testosterone levels, which similarly affects bone formation. In one study, males with eating disorders had a greater and more acute bone loss than females with the same disorder. Early diagnosis of these conditions are vital to potentially saving lives and preventing lasting consequences, and yet knowledge amongst the medical and fitness profession is marginal at best. Reportedly, only 37% of physicians are even aware of the triad, and less than 0.02% of coaches can accurately identify all three components of the triad. That with the added problem of individuals often concealing the truth and underrating their own conditions, what hope do we have for sedentary females suffering from this triad? There is no doubt that low energy availability negatively affects health, leading to adverse effects on reproductive and bone health, regardless of gender or physical fitness. We need to develop skills for transparent discussion, early detection, and management of this condition. It is clear to see that we need heightened awareness in the medical profession to ensure signs and symptoms are identified early and we have a greater likelihood of reversing the damage. Increasing education in schools is paramount for individuals to really understand proper nutrition.